Hey guys, so in this specific video, I'm going to show you some of the differences of booking with American Airlines Vacation for travel agents, as well as Delta Vacations for travel agents. And so we all know that they're like major competitors against each other. And so I just want to show you some of the differences. All right, so we're over here at the travel agent website for American Airlines. So it's aavacations.com/agent. If this is your first time on this site, what you're going to do is go to create your personal login there. And of course, you're going to need all of the host agency's information there. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Right. All right. And so this is what the portal is going to look like whenever you sign in. Okay. It's like this. And so one thing to mention with American Airlines is that you can do hotel only. You can do flight, hotel, and car. You can do flight and car. Okay. So there's like multiple ways to do it. Okay. And so let's build a trip. Let's say we want to go to Miami. Go from Miami to Montego Bay, MBJ. All right, and then so let's put the thing out. Let's push it out to October. And so you guys remember, the further out you do it, the less the deposit is going to be. Okay. And so if you guys that do not know, American Airlines per person deposit is $200 per person. Okay. So we're going to do October the 5th through the 12th right there. And then so as we get into Delta, I'll discuss the deposits and things with you. Then what is this? We cannot offer car. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, so maybe so in Montego Bay they don't have cars that American Airlines can offer. Each supplier has something different. Come on. If you guys ever see this happen, Switch flies how you make payments and stuff inside of American Airlines. So if that ever happens to you, all you have to do is just press the back button or go back to American Airlines Vacations for a travel agent. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes. All right, so let's try this again. I guess it got confused really fast with the car thing that we had going on. All right, so back to Montego Bay. So let's find a good resort. Let's say our client had some money. Okay, let's see. Let's say that the trip, the budget was, let's say 10 grand. Come on, American Airlines, you can do it. You know what? While that's going, let's go on over here to Delta Vacations. And so this is what the Delta Vacations travel agent portal looks like. And so you could do flight and hotel, flight and car, or hotel only. Okay. And so another thing that I do like about Delta Vacations is that in the advanced search option, you can, let me show you. In the advanced search option, you can do like multi-destination. I think that's pretty cool. American Airlines does not offer that option. Where is it at? It's right here, multi-destination packages. So let's say your client was going from London to Paris, you know, you could do it all in one trip. So I think that that's pretty cool with Delta. I was about to say, if American Airlines don't get it together. Okay, so over here, so they're going to automatically put a flight there. You know, you don't have to choose that flight. You could choose a different flight if you wanted to. So let's just go for the money. Let's say the highest that they got. And so this is 7 nights. All right, so 10 grand, 10 grand. All right, so let's say Sandals, Dunn's River Falls. All right. Okay, so let's pretend like we like the first room. It's of course going to give you the room options there and all that good stuff. And so we're going to hit continue. Okay, price decrease. All right, so take a peek at this. This is the total, 8149.19, and then so over here, 829. Okay, and so if you guys want to see what promo codes you can add to your client's package, this is what you do right here. All right, so all you have to do is right here, right click, and then open up this in a new tab, the American Airlines Vacation logo, and then right up top, the blue header, it should have some kind of promo going on. So save 150 on your next vacation. All right, so it's right here. Save 150 on your next vacation package. All right, so the promo code is New Year's 150, and it tells you all of the details here, blackout days, all that good stuff. All right, so let's pop this in right here. And so it's going to automatically take 150 off. The promo code is valid for the client's booking. And look, it's not. I'm not surprised. They have a lot of different ones. Let's see. All right, so let's try New Year's 75. You know what? If that one didn't work, you know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. All right, so fine, it don't work. That's fine. Okay, so let's see. Okay, commission right here, pay attention. 829. Total amount is right there, 81.49. All right, so now let's hop over to Delta. All right. Well, you know what? First, let me show you this. So you're gonna hit continue, right? And then so you input all of the client's information, all that good stuff there. Over here, they have pre-departure protection. So pre-departure protection, it's like basically a policy for your clients to get their money back. Okay. If they needed to cancel the trip or didn't want to go or something. A feature of American Airlines is right here, place on hold. You can place things on hold as long as they're greater than 45 days out or more. You can place them on hold for 24 hours. So Miami to MBJ. So the departure dates are, was it 10/5 to 10/12? All right. And so another thing, the last thing I want to mention about American Airlines is that if you guys do add on pre-departure protection, just remember that their pre-departure protection, the full amount of it is due up front. So that changes the whole game as far as the $200 deposit, okay? So that $200 deposit now becomes $200 plus the cost of the pre-departure protection, okay? All right, so this is Delta. And so what was this hotel? It was Sandals, S-A-N, right here, Sandals, Dunn's River, right? So the room type over here was, let's go up to the room type. Okay, so let's say change room type. It was the basic one. All right, so room type is, or is that King Luxury, travel team, King Luxury. All right, so let's see. Yep, same one. All right, and then I'm not gonna lie, right now, Delta is definitely winning with these prices. It's like a grand cheaper, looks like. So I like both of them, but American Airlines tends to pay us more commission. So, and then another thing about American Airlines is that for if you book a package and it's 4 nights or more, you get 500 AA Advantage points. And so Delta does have a similar program, but you know, it's different. All right, so over here we got ground transportation we can add on for the client if we wanted to, but we're not. We're just gonna keep on going through. All right, so we can add in a bunch of different things, a bunch of different tours. And so notice that, you know, for specific destinations, American Airlines has a lot of tours. And then same thing for Delta. You know, Delta has tours as well. And so over here, here is the Delta Vacations vacation travel protection plan. Okay, and so I'm gonna say no, I don't want it for right now. And then of course you can add in an upcharge if you wanted to. Right. And then so for Delta's commission is not as visible as American Airlines. So you're just going to say where you want the email sent to. So I'm going to show you guys where to find that commission at. All right. So let's see right here, agent details. All right. So the commission is $605. So you guys, you know what? Let me break out my calculator. Let me go ahead and let's see how much a difference is because we can always add in that extra $200. All right, so let's say that the going price was, let's say that the going price was this price over here in American Airlines that we had. And so was this one, 82.27. All right, so this is the going price. You check, you know, one booking engine at least, one of the consumer booking engines. All right, so the difference in price is $809. Ooh, that's pretty good. So the difference between American Airlines, this price with this booking with American Airlines, and then this price over here with Delta, like I said, $809. So let's go back. Let's say that the going price was what American Airlines had. What I would do is come on over here and I will add me some agent markup. All right, so you don't have to add the whole amount if you don't want to. You can cut it in half. You can, you know, let's see. Hopefully this thing doesn't refresh. Yes, it did not. All right, so right here where it says no charge, what you can do, you can add on. So let's say, like I said, this is $809 cheaper, right? But let's say the going rate was the $8,227 and some change. Go ahead and add on some agent markup. You can say you want to do half of it. And so no matter what, you're adding, and let's say you're adding in $400 or $500. You know what? It's an $800 difference. I'm going to give them, let's say, shoot, $200 off is still good. Let's say I added in $600 in agent markup. Delta, of course, is going to take their 10% out of the agent markup, right? And so it's going to add 600 minus the 10%. And so let's see what the commission is now. And so now the total is $8,018 versus $8,227. So the commission is right here. Wait, so agent details right here. All right, so now the commission is $1,145.96 because we did add that extra $600 in agent markup in there, okay? And so not every time that you come over here and check in Delta and check in American Airlines is going to be like this. Some days Delta may win, other days American Airlines may win, some days Vax Vacation may win, okay? And that's a whole different training, okay? But I just want to show you the differences between these two different portals. And so over here, the deposit for Delta is $250 per person, okay? And then so the final due date for Delta is 30 days before departure versus American Airlines is 45 days before departure. So it's really dependent on your client, the budget that they have. Oh, so why is there a deposit of $500? This is different. I don't know why it's doing this. $500 deposit due by, maybe Delta switched it up. The last time I had checked, it was $250 per person. I don't know why that deposit is $1,000. And even with the agent markup should not affect the deposit at all. But that is a good question. I got to do another, I want to research that, but just know that usually on the normal Delta Vacations deposit is around $250 per person. So you can, of course, over here, you can make full payment over here, or you can confirm the price. It actually tells you, well, you can put stuff on hold with Delta Vacations as well. All right, so price guarantee will be held until payment is applied by the dates indicated above. All right, so okay, so if you put this confirmance on hold, you can put this on hold for, it looks like 3 days. Okay. All right, so that is it, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this specific webinar comparing Delta to American Airlines and American Airlines to Delta for Delta Vacations for travel agents. If you guys have any questions in the chat, go ahead and put them. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.